What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I need to talk to you guys about AMC yet again. We have some great information as we go forward, some kind of information that, varies from, person to person and, website to website, right? But we all understand that it is something that's going to be impacted. And I'm talking about the short borrow fee rate, right? I'm seeing a number of different figures here, but I'm going to go off of what's on Fintel. I understand that Fintel could easily be manipulated and we could see something different. I'm just not paying for Ortex, especially something that I'm not really going to use as much. I'll probably use it in the time being, but I'm not going to use it as much. I'll just, rely on the other Ortex numbers as I start to go out there if anybody else has it. So not paying for that right now. But make sure you guys hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, check out some of the links in the description. If you want some merch, there's some links down there in order to get the Profit Hands merch. Or if you want to join as a member so you can participate in the chats, definitely do that. Don't forget to check out some of my other channels that I have, the MP Shorts channel and the Perry Experience. But we're going to talk about AMC today. We need to look at exactly what happened today, if we've seen any positive movement, if it was a good or bad day. Obviously, you could see up at the top that it was pretty decent. It wasn't something that was crazy. We've seen a good amount of volume, especially since the day is not actually over yet. We still have about 30 minutes right now because currently it's 3:34, so we have about 30 minutes left. To be more specific, 26 minutes or now 25. But we know that AMC, we were hoping for some sort of green day. We haven't really seen too many green days. And in the pre-market, this is where people were concerned. In this pre-market, it went all the way up to, let's start in the after hours market. In the after hours market, it went all the way up to 1090, then decreased, heavily, really had a sell-off, which it doesn't make sense why they would end up having a sell-off. We understand that the pre-market, after-hours market is all, could all be manipulated by people that have a lot of money, hedge funds, all of that stuff. So we did see this drop down, did increase, and then fell down some more, where it got down to about 969 and then increased and continued to increase during the open. It fell off in the first, minute candlestick and then started to increase up to $10.48 to where it fell off again, looking like it is being oversold. We understand, or overbought. We understand when things get overbought, they have a tendency to come down pretty hard. So it did get overbought, did fall down, continued to fall down as it adjusted, fell all the way down to, what was it? It was like 40 on the RSI. You did see that increase pass over the 200 EMA. So the 15 moving average passed over the 200 EMA, indicating an uptrend. We're seeing that flow up and then all of a sudden start to fall down again. We know that this is some form of manipulation, that they're shorting this position. They're going to continue to short it, as the retail traders are not people that are going to sell. Even people that are, even institutional investors that get into this, it only makes sense for them to ride it on the way up. The only people that are bringing this down are these hedge funds, so we see this increase after we find that dip. We see this increase a little bit, get back up to $10.20, start to fall a little bit flat, did spike up to $10.32 to where it kind of fell off. As of now, you see that falling down below $10. Now, when it comes to where it opened, where it closed, all of the movement, everything like that, it opened up at $9.94. We don't want to see it go below that point. If it opened up there, we want to see it open up or close higher than that, close above $10. That's what I'm hoping for in my MP Shorts channel, or MP Shorts video that I made. I wanted that to increase and stay over that $10 mark. It was somewhere around the 1020 mark when I made that video. And the high got up to 1048. The low was at 960. We had a volume. We had pretty good volume for the market open. The volume was around 46 million shares worth of volume compared to the average of 86, and we're still not done. We could still get into the after hours market and see a spike, which will suck for a lot of people that hold a ton of positions. You could see that massive spike in the after hours market, and it won't be something good for a lot of people. Now, as we started to go through a lot of information yesterday, today, people are starting to notice things, about the, short borrow fee rate. And I've seen things of it getting to 200+%, 217%. I haven't seen those numbers. I've seen 70% or so, but let's go ahead and get into some of those numbers. I have the Fintel numbers right here. We could see that yesterday, if we were looking at the short volume, we're going to see 10 million in short volume. So they're obviously continuing to short it. That's 25% of the 40 million market volume that we did see over the whole day. We did see that the short shares available is 2,000, and the most important piece of short borrow fee rate of 79%. Now, people are saying that this is 217% or 200+%. And like I said, I just haven't seen it. Now, I can definitely believe it. I'm not going to say I don't believe it, but I just want to stick to the numbers that I am seeing right now. So 79% still crazy high. No matter what, it's still crazy high. I remember looking at costs when it was up to 110% short borrow fee rate, and you've seen it spike multiple times. You've seen it spike up to 40 from 15. So that's where you're going to end up seeing those larger spikes, and I'm hoping that we can end up seeing this make its move. And I'm pretty sure that this is going to end up, increasing as they continue, to short this position until they end up covering. So let's see how this ends up playing out. I know it's a great thing. We just need to, be patient, stick around for this movement. Obviously, that I have to pay taxes this month, but I'm going to pay taxes, with other money, not the AMC money. That's all going to sit in there. I did buy shares of Tesla today, but still, I think that AMC is going to have that larger increase as we start to move forward in the week. I'm just hoping that we start to gradually see that increase. We don't really need to see that gradual increase because of the fact that a lot of these squeezes and spikes you would see out of nowhere. Like the last spike that we've seen for AMC, GME, costs, all of these different positions, it was at basically the end of the day. It was around that 1 o'clock mark, 1:30. And it spiked, spiked up, and you've seen GME go up to $200. You've seen AMC go up to $11. Now, 11 is not a spike. 11 was an increase from $7 to 11 was a great increase, right? And that was over, the market open plus the after hours market, and then it kind of fell down in the after hours. So you've seen that spike from 7 to 11, and you've seen the spike for GME from 70 or 46 all the way up to 200. So it was definitely a really, really big movement, and we're expecting to see that calm before the storm as we go through now. So I want to see it gradually increase because I always like to see those increases, and it gets you excited for the rest of the day, especially with all the other positions that you hold. But right now, AMC is looking really, really good, really, really tasty, and we're getting, down to the end game at this point. We're ready to see that spike, ready to see that squeeze, and they just need to give up. If they give up, we're in a good situation. So that's my video, guys. Let me know what you think about it. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, if you guys want to join the Discord group, the link is in the description. And if you want to join as a channel member, definitely hit that link as well. Also, don't forget to check out my other channels, the MP Shorts channel and the Perry Experience channel. We have a lot of good stuff coming on all of those different platforms there. But that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to have to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.